How to find someone on Bumble by name. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Quick Guide. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find someone on Bumble by name. To get started, let's open Bumble app. So here you can see many icons like profile icon, diamond icon, 3-bar, heart icon and inbox icon. So here you can see search bar. Let me search. In this way you can find someone on your chat list. But if you want to search the person that is not in your chat list, then you can just go to 3-bar and swipe it until you find a person that you are searching for, because there is no other search option in the Bumble app. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.